of Grade 10 Social Studies subject, Unit 8, Economic Activities, Lesson 4. It's Lesson 4, Foreign Employment. And here I begin. There are 3 types of questions here. Group questions, very short questions, Group B, short questions, and Group C, long questions. And I begin with very short questions. Question number 1, point out any 2 drawbacks of foreign employment with special reference of the development activities. And answer is it's better to write 2 points, separate points. There will be lack of human resource in the country for development. The country will always remain back as there is brain drain. And write anyone suggestion to utilize the remittance properly. So students, remittance means the money in Nepal and brought in Nepal. So remittance should be invested in productive sectors like industry, agriculture. Question number 3 is summarize the central idea of the case study given in the lesson in a sentence. So in a book, there is a case study about foreign employment, and this is the summary of that case study. Question number 4, how many countries are legalized by government of Nepal for foreign employment? The answer is 110 countries. Now we are moving to short questions, short answer questions. And question number 1 is foreign employment. Point out any 3 causes behind its explosive trend in Nepal. And here I have given you the, so here meaning of foreign employment is also given, and why there is an explosive trend of foreign employment in Nepal, that is also given. And question number 2 is what types of are the Nepalese doing abroad? Can the work type be changed? Discuss and write. And this answer is also written here. What types of works are Nepalese doing abroad? And can the work type be changed? Discuss and write. And this is the answer. You can pause and write the answer. And we move to another question, question number 3. The remittance in Nepal has not been used for productive purposes, but for unproductive fulfillments. What does the statement mean? Explain with examples. Remittance is the money that is earned in foreign country and brought in Nepal. So that is not utilized in productive sectors. As you see, it is being used in other things. So this answer is explained here with examples. Question number 4. Question number 4. You have to draw a chart. Draw a line graph showing total number of people going for foreign employment in 2011. So this is a line graph, and here is the answer. It's not a bar, neither it is a pie chart. It's a line graph, and line graph is also important, that may come in your exam. So here is the title, line graph showing total number of Nepalese going for foreign employment in 2011 AD. And look, this is the line graph, continent wise I have made. This is the answer. You make it in your note copy. Next is prepare a dialogue including the strength and drawbacks of foreign employment. So in the dialogue, you have to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of foreign employment. And this is a sample dialogue. Before starting the conversation, better to write 1 or 2 lines as a background setting. Binita goes to Manita's house. They start talking about a lesson of Grade 10 Social Studies subject. And Binita, Manita, and there is a dialogue. And they talk about the drawbacks and strength of foreign employment. That means advantages and disadvantages. And here is the ending of the dialogue. Next question, question number 6 is here. What would you suggest to your neighbor going for foreign employment with the influence of friend but not having any skills? Mention in 4 points, and here is the answer. That means you have a neighbor who is trying to go to foreign employment without having any skill. So for him, here is the suggestion. Question number 7. Suggest your guardian working in foreign country and spending money. And sending money through hundi by mentioning the appropriate ways of sending money here. So hundi is an illegal way of sending money from foreign country. Hundi is illegal because uh, it is unregistered, okay, and tax is not paid, so it is illegal. And here is the answer. And you may want to know the answers of Group C. So I have not given you the answers of Group C, long questions, because if you have read the questions of Group C, long questions, all the answers are already here in Group B. Okay, just you need to write the question answer a bit by twisting little bit. You need to twist the answer, and more or less the content is the same that is in Group B. So Group C is the expanded form of Group B questions. If you know the answer of Group B questions, you can do Group C. So no problem. That's why I have not done that, and that is not important. All are do yourself. All are easy questions. So thank you very much for watching and making the note, and you will be getting other notes. So keep waiting. Thank you very much. Bye bye.